Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I dears myself Muhammad Yahya. Today I want to make thankful of Pearl Academy Khaaran with extraordinary and attractive teacher. Secondly, for this special moment, I want to verbalize my conception regarding a super attitude. As you know, it's not what happened to you that counts. It's how you react that what happens to you. Especially when you have some unexpected problem. Here are 4 things you can do to assure that your attitude is the very best. It can be under all circumstances. So the first thing that is focus on future. Dears, whatever the problems you face, now focus about your future. Don't think that now the society or the peoples are blaming on me, they are criticizing on me, that they are discouraging on me. Everyone is discouraging you, but you are that making you have to not discourage yourself. Your own self, you have to make yourself confident that I have a future. Okay, if you think that I have a future, then focus about your future. The problem, every day the problems are coming on you, but you have to focus about your future, that I have a future. So leave these small problems, these are part of life, that problems are part of life, so you have to focus about your future. Okay, that second one is there, think about the solution. If you start thinking about the solution, then you can make the problem very easy, because every problem has a solution. If you search for the solution, you can get the solution and you can solve the problem. But some people are there, when they got or they are in problem, then they will worry themselves. They will start worrying about the problem. Okay, why I face like this? But if you want to make your attitude well done, and you have to solve the problem. Okay, the problem is part of life. If you start solving the problem, you can solve the problem. Third one is that look for the good. Look for the good. Assume that with each and every problem there is also that one solution. After solution, that you have to think that maybe this problem is for me, that it's beneficial for me. Once Dr. Norman said that if God want to give us a gift, it will be shape of problem. So like this, as like him, so you have to think that yeah, these problems are a gift of Allah Almighty for the sake of me. I have to not be worried about the problem. You have to make your that one mind full positive. Don't be negative and leave the negative word, leave it and finish this word from your mind. Okay, and the fourth one is there, seek a valuable lesson. If you start thinking that okay, I face this problem, but now why I face this problem, the word why. Okay, I face this problem. If you start that why, because of society I face this problem, or somewhere else it's my own actions, that it's because of my own actions I face this problem. If you start thinking like this, you can seek a lesson, a valuable lesson. Okay, so don't be worried about the problem or don't think something else about the problem. Seek a valuable lesson, because there is something very special hidden in your problem. So seek a lesson. Thank you so much.